Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and today we have one of the most exciting topics ever.
That is right. Today we are talking about how to get rich in simple English.
Yes, we are going to learn about building wealth and practice our English at the same time.
So this episode is going to be super useful for your English and your future financial life.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, let me ask you something. Do you want to be rich someday?
Of course I do, Mia. I think almost everyone wants financial freedom in their life.
Right. But the question is, how do we actually get there step by step?
That is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Practical steps that actually work.
And we will learn important English money vocabulary along the way, too.
Perfect. Okay, let us start with the very first and most important step.
Step number 1. Change your mindset about money first.
Yes. Before you can build wealth, you need to think about money in the right way.
In English, we call this a money mindset, the way you think and feel about money.
A lot of people grow up thinking that money is bad or that rich people are greedy.
But that kind of thinking will actually block you from ever building real wealth.
Instead, try thinking, money is a tool that helps me create a better life for myself and others.
In English, a useful phrase is, I have a healthy and positive relationship with money.
When you believe you deserve to be financially successful, you start making better decisions.
Mindset is truly the foundation of everything. Get that right first.
Step number 2. Spend less than you earn every single month.
This sounds so simple, but so many people actually struggle with this one.
In English, we call this living below your means.
Living below your means you spend less money than you actually make.
The gap between what you earn and what you spend, that gap is where your wealth begins.
A great English phrase to remember is, I always make sure to save before I spend.
Pay yourself first. That means put money into savings before you spend on anything else.
Even saving just 10% of your income every month can make a massive difference over time.
Small, consistent savings always beat big, irregular ones. Always remember that.
Step number 3. Build multiple streams of income.
Oh yes, this is one of the most powerful secrets of wealthy people everywhere.
In English, income stream means a source of money coming into your life.
Most people only have one income stream, their salary from their job.
But rich people usually have 3, 4, 5, or even more income streams at the same time.
For example, a salary from your job is one income stream.
Then you could sell handmade products online. That is a second income stream.
You could rent out a room in your house. That is a third income stream.
Or create a YouTube channel and earn money from it, just like Juragan English Channel.
Haha, great example, Mia. The internet has made it so much easier to build extra income today.
In English, we call extra income that comes in without working hourly passive income.
Passive income means money you earn even while you are sleeping or on vacation.
Building passive income streams is one of the biggest keys to long-term financial freedom.
Step number 4. Start investing as early as possible.
Investing means putting your money to work so it can grow bigger over time.
In English, a very important concept is compound interest.
Compound interest means your money earns interest, and then that interest also earns interest.
So your money grows faster and faster the longer you leave it invested.
Albert Einstein once called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world.
Wow, if Einstein said it, you know it must be incredibly powerful.
The most important thing about investing is to start early, even with a small amount.
Starting with a little money early is always better than waiting until you have a lot.
In English, a great phrase is, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today.
I love that phrase so much. It is so motivating and so true at the same time.
Some popular ways to invest include stocks, mutual funds, property, and businesses.
But always do your research first before you put your money anywhere.
In English, we say, never invest money that you cannot afford to lose.
That is such important advice. Always be smart and careful with your investments.
Step number 5. Keep learning and upgrading your skills constantly.
Yes, in today's world, your skills and knowledge are your greatest financial assets.
In English, an asset means something valuable that can help you earn more money.
The more valuable your skills are, the more money people are willing to pay you.
For example, learning English is itself a huge financial investment in your future.
Companies often pay higher salaries to employees who can speak English fluently.
So just by watching this channel and practicing your English, you are already investing in yourself.
In English, we call this self-investment, spending time and money to improve yourself.
Self-investment always gives the highest return of any investment you will ever make.
Read books, take online courses, learn new skills, and never stop growing as a person.
In English, a great phrase is, invest in yourself first, and everything else will follow.
Step number 6. Surround yourself with people who have a success mindset.
In English, there is a famous saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with.
That means the people around you have a huge influence on your thinking and your habits.
If you spend time with people who complain and give up easily, that energy will affect you too.
But if you surround yourself with motivated, positive, and ambitious people, you will grow.
In English, we say, find a mentor, someone more successful than you who can guide you.
A mentor is someone who has already achieved what you want and is willing to help you get there.
Having the right people around you can literally change the entire direction of your life.
Step number 7. Be patient and stay consistent no matter what happens.
Building real wealth takes time. There is no magic shortcut that works overnight.
In English, a very important phrase is, get-rich-quick schemes almost never work.
A scheme means a plan, and get-rich-quick schemes promise fast money but usually fail.
Real wealth is built slowly, steadily, and consistently over many years of smart decisions.
In English, we say, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is financial freedom.
That means big and great things always take time to build. And that is perfectly okay.
The key is to never give up when things get hard, and things will get hard sometimes.
Every successful wealthy person has faced failure, setbacks, and difficult times.
What separates them from others is that they kept going anyway, no matter what.
In English, a powerful phrase is, success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
Wow, that phrase gives me chills every single time. So powerful and so true.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick summary of all 7 steps from today.
Step 1, change your money mindset and believe you deserve financial success.
Step 2, spend less than you earn and always save before you spend.
Step 3, build multiple streams of income, including passive income.
Step 4, start investing early and let compound interest do the heavy lifting.
Step 5, keep learning and upgrading your skills every single day.
Step 6, surround yourself with positive, ambitious, and successful people.
Step 7, be patient, stay consistent, and never ever give up on your goals.
Follow all 7 steps and your financial future will look completely different.
Now it is your turn to take action, starting right now today.
Go to the comments and write your number 1 financial goal in English right now.
Try writing. My financial goal is to blank by blank. Fill in the blanks.
For example, my financial goal is to save 1 million rupiah every month by December.
Writing your goal down makes it real. and sharing it makes you accountable.
We read every single comment and we are rooting for every one of you.
If this episode was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
Share this video with your friends who want to get rich and improve their English.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next powerful episode.
We have so many more amazing life and English topics coming very soon.
Remember, your financial journey starts with one small step taken today.
Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is always right now.
We believe in you completely, and we are cheering for your success every single day.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are absolutely incredible.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye everyone. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep building your dreams. You got this.